Welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you on a faucet website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free earning website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the faucet website. This faucet website link available in the description. You can claim this much Satoshi plus this much Solana bonus every 2 minutes, 50 time claim per day. First of all, just put your email address of the faucet pay in here. Just putting your email address and just solve the select capture. After solving, just solve the select capture is a 2 1 okay, sorry, 10 1 2 3, and wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds you just click claim. You can easily claim your amount. Okay, and you can see a lot of people making their money, and just click claim reward, and you can see this website send you your amount instantly to your faucet pay. I go to my faucet pay to show you this website send me or not. I just reload the page, come down, and you can see I received this much Solana Litecoin from that website. Thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description, and you can claim 50 time claim per day, and every 2 minutes you come back and claim again, and you can easily make much more amount from this website, and you can easily claim to your faucet pay. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye for now.